Are you one of those that works in your garage, your car, one like do-it-yourself project, man, or something like that? Then this bar stool over here, which is a rolling bar stool, which also has some really good features that I'm going to show you at the bottom right here, kind of like a magnetic tray, could be the one for you. This brand sent it to me for the video. I have to say the assembly process takes, everything is explained right here, and it's going to take you about 10 minutes, exaggerating 15 minutes, no more than that. Everything is here. This tool over here, which I'm going to show you in a close-up in a few seconds, supports up to 300 pounds. So let's say that you're working in your car or something like that. You can actually be sitting here and working in the motor or something like that, or on the truck bed, or you can do it something in your house. Like for example, if I want to drill something here, and if it's not in a really nice position, I don't have to knee on the floor or something like that. And by the way, I can just, if I need to go lower, I can just do this and go even lower, which I think it is fantastic. Let me show it to you in a close-up. So first of all, it has a really nice cushion over here. I have to say that it has a really firm and solid cushion, so you can be sitting here for long periods of time if you have to. This is the handle on the side to adjust the height. You can see that goes pretty high, and I'm actually gonna put some pressure in here, and it's not doing it because you need weight. So that is a really nice thing. And of course, it has wheels, so it kind of comes with 5 wheels actually, so you can roll easily in any surface. Of course, you can't do it in the grass or something like that, but you can do it in any other surface. But the best thing, let me show you this one on an even closer look. It is right here. Check this out. So you're gonna see that right now, everything except, of course, the plastic stuff, the stuff that is made of plastic, is not moving. That is because this right here, this tray over here, it is magnetized. So this one right here, you're gonna see that you can put everything you need for when you're working in place or something like that, and you need those tools and you need the beads or you need some screws. You can put them everything in one single place, and that's it. They're gonna stay in place, which I think it is really good for when you need things in within easy reach. And they're not gonna be moving at all, as you can see over here. So that is the good thing about this one, which is rolling. And of course, it's gonna be access to everything you need on within easy reach. So one more time, this could be the one for you if you need something like this for do-it-yourself projects and having everything just in the convenience of within easy reach down there with the magnet. I like it. 300 pounds, easy assembly, and with the magnet, it's a must-have for your own projects.